Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ava Kumari. Today we will discuss some another definitions from the graph theory. Earlier we have seen the directed graph in degree, out degree of a graph. So let us see what is the degree of a vertex or degree of a graph. So in a graph, the degree of the vertex V of a vertex V is the number of edges connected with it. Okay, that is the degree of the vertex V जो है वो उस वर्टेक्स के साथ जितने भी एजेस कनेक्टेड होते हैं उन एजेस का जो नंबर है वो उसका डिग्री कहलाता है. द डिग्री ऑफ द वर्टेक्स V इज डिनोटेड बाय degree of V, or somewhere it is written as d of V. For example, let us understand this with a figure. So the figure, like, suppose we have V1, V2, V3, V5, V4, and again we have V6. Let us join these values. Suppose we have joined the V1 to V2, then V2 to V5 in this way, then V5 to V4 in this way, V3 to V4, and we leave the V6. So what we see here is, if we are asking about the degree of V1, what is the degree of V1, then we write d of V1 as the in degree and out degree of this vertex V is known as the degree of a vertex. So in degree here is what? 1, and out degree is also 1, because V2 से हम V1 जा सकते हैं, V1 से हम V2 आ सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो इसकी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है वो कितने हैं? 2. लेकिन यहाँ से V1 से V2 जो नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितने हैं? ओनली 1. इसलिए डिग्री ऑफ V1 जो है हमारा वो हो जाएगा का 1, because the number of the edges is known as the degree of the vertex. Now from V2, what we see from V2? From V2 we have one vertex, one edge, 2 edge, and then 3 edge. This is the out degree. We can also say that is out degree, and from V5 to V2 is in degree. But the total number of edges from V2 is 1, 2, 3. So degree of V2 is 3. Next we have degree of V3. So V3 to V4 only 1. So degree of the V3 is what? How much? It is 1. If we draw a self loop to this V3, then how many degree we have? So from V3 we have the self loop. So from this direction we can also this one, and from this way. So here we have total number of the edges. If we take this one, then we have the 1 edge. If we take out from this one, then we have 2. So 1, 2, and then we have 3. So here it is 3. Now degree of V4, we have 1, 2, 3. Now degree of V6 is 0, because no edges. Next we have even and odd vertex. What is even and odd vertex? Even and odd vertex. So let us see this one. So odd vertex V is said to be even when the degree is even. So a vertex is said to be even if degree is even. Otherwise, odd vertex. So here in this figure, the degree of V1 is 1. So here, so in the above figure, how many odd vertex we have? So of vertices V1, V3, V2 and then V4. Why? Because all the degree of the vertex is odd. So we have the odd vertex. Have even vertex. So what the even vertex is? So even vertex. So for the even vertex, we will see in this figure that how many of the vertex which has the even order. So here we have V5, sorry, this is D of V5. So D of V5 is what? So here is a 1 edge, then 2, then 3 and then 4. So the 4 edges we can form from the vertex V5. So here the number of the even vertex is degree is 4. That's why we will write the even vertex is what? V5. Why? Because we have only one vertex V5 has even order. Fine. So this is the even vertex. Next is our finite or infinite graph. So what is finite or infinite graph? So a graph was both the sets that is vertex and edge are finite. Edge, let it be E, are finite is said to be finite graph. Otherwise infinite. Otherwise infinite graph. Okay, thank you.